What do pros actually do to see message activity the right way? Ethical hacker like Soshutech use certified tools with clear written code permission. Follow me if you want to see someone's message. Get the phone details and phone monitoring consent. Most cases, parental supervision and company-owned devices for staff monitoring. On Apple, they use a higher sophisticated software to access the device and give us access to screen sharing remotely. On Soshutech.com, you will also get phone activity, text messages, and call logs. On Android, they also use certified tool to access the data remotely and pass you the control. They can configure a communication monitoring app where you get to see full phone activities. For businesses, they use MDM on company-owned devices with signed policies that explain what is monitored. With Soshutech, you can get cloud backups like iCloud or Google, and get to read all the messages and contents. You get full access to all the menu icons and even recover deleted backup data. They are very professional and will arrange all the data results accurately, present it in a confidential compiled format, timestamps and attachments into a clear, auditable view. Encryption and audit logs keep the process transparent and secure. Reach out to Soshutech today if you have any doubts in your relationship and what to gain that untraceable access. Like and share for more phone tech tricks.